So today we're going to be making Billie Eilish's dye sweater. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut the sleeves from here to around 10 inches so that we can make it a short sleeve. After we're done cutting the sleeves, we're going to start sewing. After we sew the sleeves, we are going to start with a trim at the bottom, and then we're going to start making our letters. So for the lettering part, you're going to need a white pencil, and this is optional, but a bright ass light, and your reference. Okay, so the first step that you're going to be doing is pulling your thread or your yarn through the first entrance to the sweater. And you're going to be leaving a long piece that hangs, because there's going to be a bunch of strings of yarn just hanging, and we're not going to tie it off, because that is going to be part of the sweater. And then here we're going to just slowly follow our traced line, and we're going to slowly work our way up to the first breaking point. And this process is going to take you at least 3 days. For each letter it varies, and then you just slowly work your way up. So for the first flame, we're going to take our needle after we're done sewing upwards and to around the crevice of the flame. We're going to stick our needle in, and we're going to move it up to the point of the flame. And then we're going to poke it out. And then we're going to work our way down the flame until we meet the crevice.